Jungle animals are gathered at a picnic. Ellie the elephant eyes the peanut pile. Ellie whispers, "Okay, operation. Peanut Pop is in motion." She tiptoes dramatically, despite being huge, is holding a banana as a walkie-talkie. Ellie says into the banana, "Agent Ellie here. Target acquired. Commencing snack extraction." She stretches her trunk toward the peanut, but a sneaky parrot squawks, "Peanut thief alert! Repeat, peanut thief!" All animals look over. Ellie freezes mid-trunk, smiling awkwardly. Ellie says, "I was just dusting the snacks with my face." She sneezes, causing a peanut explosion. Everyone gets covered in peanut butter. Parrot laughs. "Now that's a nutty ending."